Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Minister of State for Health, Honorable Joseph Nkama, has commended the government of Bayelsa State for its huge investment in the health sector. Honorable Nkama gave the commendation recently while inspecting facilities at the Federal Medical Center Yenagoa following the request for the conversion of the Bayelsa State Medical University to a federal institution.
The Bayelsa State Medical University took off with an accreditation by the National Universities Commission in January 2019, becoming the second public medical university in Nigeria. Few years later, the Senator Doyediri-led Prosperity government had made a request for upgrading of the institution to the status of a federal medical university in the belief that it would enhance research and development in the field of medicine. Following this request, Minister of State for Health, Honorable Joseph Nkama, was in Yenagoa recently to inspect facilities provided by the Bayelsa State government at the state-owned medical university and the Federal Medical Center Yenagoa.
In the event that the medical facility in question doesn't suit the standard, the Federal Medical Center Yenagoa will have to acquire the 300-bed medical facility and make it become part of the Federal Medical Center Yenagoa, and we will apply to Mr. President, His Excellency President MAMODE, to approve the upgrade of the Federal Medical Center Yenagoa to become a federal teaching hospital, so that it will, in all ramifications, meet the standard for training of medical doctors.
Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, who received the minister on behalf of Governor Diri, thanked the federal government for its prompt response to the request for the conversion of the medical university in Bayelsa State to a federal institution.
We're happy that the federal government has responded in this very instance so positively to our request for the establishment of the Federal Medical University for the South-South in our state. Bayelsa is in desperate need of development, and so this is an added feather to the caps of development we have in our state.
When upgraded, the proposed medical university in Bayelsa State will become the first medical university in the South-South geopolitical zone of Nigeria. Senator Erujakpo is optimistic that it will provide technical expertise for Bayelsans and other Nigerians alike in the field of medicine.
This is what we need. These are the things we ought to do. I believe that is going to expand the capacity and also make more services available to our people.
Bayelsa State currently has two functional state universities, namely the Niger Delta University and the University of Africa, in addition to the Federal University Otueke. The proposed Federal Medical University stands out as an institution providing specialized knowledge in medicine. When finally approved, it promises to be mutually beneficial to the federal government and the government of Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta,